Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Best, and you're welcome to Best Beauty Patente B. Okay guys, in today's video we'll be dealing on Signale Di Obbligo lesson 8. Now, we have done 1 to 7. Then I will advise you, if you're just seeing this channel for the very first time, if you're just coming across me for the first time, please go back to Signale Di Obbligo lesson 1 to 7. We have treated that. I'll be leaving that in the description box below. Okay, I also advise you to go back from chapter 1 and meet us here in chapter 4. Okay, I've made a playlist from chapter 1, 2, 3. Try to go through it, then come back to meet us in chapter 4 that we are in. All right, so in today's video we'll be dealing on I think we covered 4 particular lessons in this video. We'll do 4 lessons in one. Okay, now like I said initially, we are in Signale Di Obbligo lesson 8. Okay, the first one on our list is percorso unico pedonale e ciclabile. Now you see why you have to go to previous videos so you can understand where we are going to and where we're coming from. Now in the previous video I made I made a statement, or should I say, I helped you differentiate between this percorso unico and that of affiancato. Okay, these are 2 different signals that look alike, so you have to be very careful on meeting them. Okay, so please, if you have not seen the last video I made, I'm referring you back to that video. You're going to see where I talked about the both of them and the differences. Now, what does this sign mean? It is one part that is reserved for those on foot, pedoni, and those that are using bicycle. Now, let's go. It say, un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Remember that segnale di prescrizione is also segnale di obbligo. Okay, we also have 2 other segnali di prescrizione. Please do well to follow these videos. One after the other, you're going to be seeing them. I'll also be dropping a review on that. I hope to, because there's so many work on my desk. All right, now let's keep going. Indica inizio di percorso. Now this tells you the beginning of a path, un viale, un itinerario riservato ai transito dei pedoni e ciclisti. Now basically, it's telling you that this sign, or seeing it, it is telling you the beginning of a path, of a lane that is reserved for both pedoni and ciclisti insieme, together, is misto. Quindi non consente ai transito ai veicoli a motore. On seeing this sign, it does not allow vehicles with engine to transit, to pass. Non è vero che è posto in corrispondenza di percorso ciclabile a fianco di un percorso riservato ai pedoni. Now, it is not true that this sign, you're going to see it on a path that is reserved for pedoni side by side with a path that is reserved for ciclabile, which is a cyclist, ciclisti. It is not true. That is a different sign entirely, okay? Il percorso è unico. This sign is one, both for cyclists, both for pedoni. It is a misto. It is one, okay? And it's for a promiscuous use. This sign is different from accanto, affiancato. I've treated that in the last video. If you look at that video, you're going to understand where I brought the both pictures and I made an explanation. Now, I still got a picture here to tell you what this one is trying to tell you. Now, this is viale misto. On the floor here, if it is visible enough, you're going to see a bicycle together with a man. The same thing here, the both of them, they draw man and bicycle, telling you that the both of them can use this lane. The both of them can use this lane. All right, so there's nothing like nothing differentiating them, telling you maybe this particular place is for pedoni and this particular place is for cyclists. It is telling you that the both of them, it is for these 2 categories of people, they can use it. Now, on seeing this sign, when you move further, you're going to see a sign, this same sign, but this time it is being crossed with a red barrier or a red stripe. Fine di percorso pedonale e ciclabile. This one, telling you this is the end for this set of people. Initially, I'm going to go back. Initially, it is reserved for the both of them. On seeing this first sign, this sign is this one, reserved for them. Now you're going to see it here telling you, okay, this road is reserved for pedoni and cyclisti. When you move further, you're going to see this one telling you, okay, this is the end of the path reserved initially for these two people. Un segnale di prescrizione obbligo, remember say segnale di obbligo, now also segnale di prescrizione. They might not ask you in your test, is this segnale di obbligo? They might ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? It is vero. Indica la fine di percorso un viale, un itinerario riservato ai transito dei pedoni e ciclisti. Now, this na part, na lane where they reserved for pedoni and ciclisti. It is telling you the end of this lane. This sign is telling you the end of those first picture we saw. This is the end. Non è vero che vieta il transito ai biciclette o ai pedoni. It is not true that on seeing this one now, this one that has the red stripe, it is not forbidding you that is walking or you that is using bicycle from transiting. No. It is just telling you that from this place onwards, there are other vehicles that you're going to come in junction with, not only you again. You're not the only one, you and those people using bicycle, cyclists, una two, not enjoy this road to una self alone. Meaning that other vehicles, okay, are there with you, not only both of you again. It is not telling you that you cannot use that road, no. Just telling you that previously you were enjoying a lane to yourselves, but now other vehicles is circulating. I hope I'm making sense. If you don't understand, leave it in the comment section. I'll come back and I'll treat it. Now we're going to see this one. Percorso riservato ai quadrupedi da soma e da sella. This is a part reserved for them. Those who they use donkey, those are using horses, this is a part reserved for them. È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Obbligo è solo segnale di prescrizione. Indica l'inizio di un percorso, un passaggio riservato agli animali da somma e da sella. Esempio, cavalli. Now this is telling you of a passage that is reserved for animali da somma, donkeys, horses. Example, horses, it is reserved for them. Vieta il transito a tutti i veicoli, compresi i velocipiedi e i pedoni. Now, seeing this sign, it forbids the entrance of all other vehicles, including bicycles, including you with your car, pedoni. Okay? It forbids you. It's only reserved for animali da sola e da somma e sella. Non è vero che è posto nella vicinanza di una scuola di equitazione, preannuncia la presenza di animali vaganti o preannuncia obbligo di dare precedenza agli animali che attraversano. Now, this one, they tell you school where they take you to learn horse. You know, they tell you of that kind of school. It's still not they tell you ahead of time of animal will go astray, where they astray. Okay, it's not telling you of that kind of animals. It also they tell you, say this, you're obliged on seeing this sign. They say you're obliged to give precedence to animal with the cross. No, it's just telling you that it's a lane reserved for them. Finito. You're not allowed to use this place. Now, when you go further on seeing this sign, you're going to see this one with a red stripe, this time telling you this is the end for these people using this animal. This is not the end. They are not only the one enjoying this road again. On seeing this sign, telling you that other vehicles now are circulating. Be careful. Fine del percorso riservato ai quadrupedi da somma e da sella. Now, this is the end of the reserved for them before. Donkeys, horses. È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Remember that segnale di obbligo non sti segnale di prescrizione. Indica la fine di un percorso o passaggio riservato agli animali da somma e da sella. Esempio, cavalli. Now this one they tell you the end of the part where they reserve for them, the passage where they reserve for them before, initially now, not the end. It means they are not enjoying this road to themselves, other people now, they circulate. Non è vero che vieta il transito agli animali. Now, it is not true that this sign forbids the transit of animals. It is not true that it forbids the transit of animals. Okay, be very, very careful. All right, be very careful. Look at the image that is inside the sign. Any cycle shape is an order sign. Okay, any cycle shape, an order sign. Look at the picture inside of it. It's going to ring a bell to you, telling you what it means. Okay. Now, guys, if you don't understand anything, I'm here. I'm here for you. Leave it in the comment section. I'll come back and treat it. Very, very, very important. All right. See you in my next video. I'll be coming up with a video on still Signale Di Obbligo. Yes, I guess. Yes, Signale Di Obbligo. We are not done with it. I think we still have a few to deal with. Okay. Please share my video to your family and friends. It is very, very, very important because you might be saving a life, all right, out there. Someone who is willing to do this, but do not have a way to actually make it easier for him or her. All right, share this video, guys. And if you like what you're getting, do not forget to always leave me a thumbs up. It is very, very important. Thank you for coming. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for choosing this channel. I love you. See you in my next video, everyone. Bye.